There's a feature in Microsoft Project which seems to have gone somewhat unnoticed for a while. It's called the progress line. It's been there for some time, and it's so simple and easy to use, I'm surprised more people don't actually use it. So let me show you how it works. First, we can open any ordinary project file. And then one of the first steps we would normally take after getting most of the information in and starting the run of a project is to set a status date. We usually do this for whatever reporting date during the run of a project, say for biweekly meetings. I'll go ahead and set a date here, which comes up during the run of the project. Then, to use the progress line and check how things are going as of, for example, the status date, I can right-click on the graphics side of the Gantt chart, click Progress Lines in the pop-up menu, and tell the dialog box which of the progress lines I want to see. In this case, I'll set the line to show as of the status date for this example. Click OK, and there it is. The progress line has a couple of advantages. First, it's easy to activate if you know how, and it can be brought up for status dates, actual dates, periodic progress. If we again jump into the dialog box for a second, we can see all of these listed on the left as well as on the right. Selected progress lines can be put in at any arbitrary date we wish. Second, being a graphic feature, it makes seeing the status of things very straightforward. If the line zigs to the left, whatever it's pointing to is behind schedule as of whatever date we've set. For example, our status date. If it zigs to the right, whatever it's pointing to there will be ahead of schedule. And if it's dead straight, you're on time as of that date. Of course, if you have zigzags in both directions, you're ahead on some things and behind on others. That might require some fixing, but at least you can tell straight away there are potential issues and you need to get on them. As a project manager, we have to be conscientious entering update information on the status of the various tasks in the project. Therefore, if I now select, let's say, our first 6 or so tasks here, go to the Task tab in the ribbon, the Schedule group, and mark them as 100% complete, the line straightens out to indicate that as of the status date, we're pretty much on schedule. One has to do this regardless of the progress line if one wants an accurate view of the project's status, so this is pretty routine stuff. Were we to go back into the Project tab and, say, 2 weeks from this date, set another status date, the 30th of June, for example, and then update our tasks once again, we would again see the line shift, again see the zigzags appear and disappear according to the progress and status of the individual tasks. To turn the progress line off, we simply reverse the process by which we turned it on. Right-click once again in the graphics side of the Gantt, click Progress Lines in the pop-up menu, uncheck the appropriate boxes, and again click OK. Done. Since it's a purely cosmetic feature, you can't mess anything up in the project file by using it, but once you get the hang of it, you might find it's darn helpful, if not indispensable.